made by Karim Ahmed, Omar Bilal, Abdullah Wael, Safir Audi, and Rudy Ayman. Our introduction is the system is designed to streamline the process of booking, tracking, and managing courier deliveries. It enables users to schedule pickup, track shipments, make payment, and receive real-time updates. The administrators manage delivery routes, pricing, and customer data, ensuring a seamless and efficient experience for both customer and the company. Our overview is a courier company management system for customers and administrators. Customers can easily schedule pickups, track deliveries, and make payments, while administrators can efficiently make delivery schedules, pricing, and shipment trackers. The system ensures smooth operation and enhanced convenience for all users. And our key features are shipment request, account creation and login, pickup scheduling, package pickup, in-transit updates, proof of delivery, satisfaction of completion, sorting and routing.
This is our software architecture. So our two main users are courier and customer. So as we can see, a courier can close an order, call a client, check today's orders, open a client's location, give a review / rating, or log in. And our customer can give a tip, check a courier's location, call a courier, log in, file a complaint, or give a review / rating.
Now those are the requirements. Here we got the ID of the requirements, categories, and most. For example, create account. It's a requirement. The system shall allow new users to create an account. User story: as a user, I want to register an account so that I can access to the courier services. Categories: account creation. Moscow must have the ID F1.
And here are two more examples. Package delivery entry. The system shall let sender enter package details such as I mentioned, weight and content. User story: as a sender, I want to provide package details so that the courier knows how to handle it properly. And another example, customer support. The system shall include AI chatbot to handle customer issues. User story: as a receiver, I want to use a chatbot to quickly resolve my issues to save time. And here we have 24 requirements. More examples. Payment methods. The system shall support multiple payment options such as Visa and cash. Our user story: as a sender, I want to pay for my services with a comfortable way I prefer. Another example, delivery status update. The system shall allow driver to update the status of deliveries such as transit or delivered or filled attempt. Its user story: as a driver, I want to update delivery status so that customers are informed. We have 24 requirements, and this was a few of them.
These are the non-function requirements. Non-function number 1: protect against unauthorized access and data leakage. User story: as a user, I want my system to be secure so that no one could access the private data. Category: security, Moscow must have. The non-function requirement 2: user-friendly system. For it to be easily used by the user. User story: as a user, I need the system to be user-friendly so that I can order easily. Category: usability, Moscow could have. These are two non-function requirements, and we have 10.
The main model nouns that we got from our functional requirements. This is the main model diagram with all of our key concepts. Our main key concept is we have the customer and the courier. They're all connected to the order. The customer is connected to the customer account and the addresses and the phone number, which is all connected to the system, which contains the two-factor authentication and the status. The courier is connected to the delivery and the shipment, which is also connected to the status, and the delivery date is also connected to the status.
We have personas. Ahmed Farouk, 26 years old. He's an operation manager at Swift Services. His goals is to optimize delivery routes to reduce fuel cost and delivery times, maintain high customer satisfaction by ensuring timely deliveries, expand the company's service coverage to rural areas, needs reliable and efficient logistic software to manage fleet operation, 2 skilled delivery personnel, who are functional and professional. 3. Partnership with e-commerce platforms to ensure consistent business. And Sara Mustafa, she has 27 years old. Her occupation is customer service representative at Swift Community Services. Her goals are to address customer inquiries and complaints efficiently to improve brand loyalty, to ensure smooth communication between customers and operation team, and develop a comprehensive knowledge of the company's service to assist clients better. Her needs are to access to up-to-date information about deliveries, delay, and issues, a user-friendly CRM, which is customer relationship management system, to track customer interactions, and regular training to handle challenging pre-customer scenarios. Two personas of our users.
FedEx is one of our competitors. We have pros and cons. The pros are the global reach, operates in over 120 countries, reliable delivery, known for on-time and dependable delivery, and number 3, wide range of services. The cons that have higher cost, premium service can be more expensive, complex pricing and shipping rates can vary significantly due to factors like supercharges. Limited coverage in remote areas, delivery to remote areas can include extra fees. The second competitor is DHL. The pros that has specialized services and real-time tracking and sustainable initiatives. Cons, extra fees, higher international costs, and customer service complaint.
Okay, so this is our mind map. So first of all, we have delivery scheduling. You can press on the scheduled delivery and choose your preferred time and date. And we have add a note. You can press on add a note and add desired instructions to your courier. And then you have customer service. You can file a complaint, call a courier, or give feedback. We also have closing an order, in which you can select the payment method. Once the transaction succeeds, then press close order. And we also have tracking your courier. You can press on your order and press track. We also have notifications. You can confirm your payment and get updates on estimated time of delivery. These are the verbs in which we created our use case models from, and we got them from our functional requirements. So this is our use case diagram. Here we have our primary actors, and over there we have our secondary actors. So for example, the user can create an account, which includes logging in, and then the person who receives that action is the system, which can verify the credentials. We also have other relationships such as extend.
Have the use case scenarios. We made it in a table. Here we have the name, ID, brief description, primary actor, secondary actor, preconditions, main flow, post condition, error and exceptions.
Our system has 17 use case scenarios, and here's an example. First use case scenario, its name is create account, brief description, allow users to register a new account on the system. Primary actor user, it has no secondary actors. Preconditions, one, the user should have internet access and user should have smartphone. Its main flow, one, user opens the registration page. User enters name, email, phone number, and password. 3, system validates the enter details. 4, system creates an account and sends that confirmation email. Its post conditions. 1, account is created successfully and user receives confirmation email. Its errors and exceptions, email already registered, weak password detected.
The courier company is the class name and has attributes name, address, contact number. Then it goes to the customer and order, package, driver, vehicle, driver route, and all has its own attributes. Courier company has name, address, contact number, and it branches into sender with one-to-many association. And then the manager and driver has inheritance vehicle, bike and truck. Where here there's a composition between the shipment and package. And in front of you are all the relationships.
Has 5 sequence diagrams. This is one of them. So here we have our actor, which is user, and here we have our objects, which are system and courier. The sequence diagram illustrates the relationships between the user and both of the objects. And over here, here we have a frame which illustrates the if the user is given an option. A dotted line it shows a reply, and a solid line shows an action. And this bar right here shows the timeline of each object.
We have a state machine diagrams. So start point, system is waiting, user places order, now the order is created. Then career out for delivery. He has two options, delivery failed or delivered. If the delivery failed, he retry delivery and attempt delivery again. If it's delivered, delivery confirmed and end the process.
Our system is activity diagram. So here you have our starting point, and the diamond represents an option. So for example, we have here if a user doesn't have an account, he creates one, and then if a user has one, he logs in. And then these are the procedures. And over here we have a fork that represents like two options. So for example, if an order isn't received, the system either sends alert of delayed shipment to the user, which notifies the user, or it reports an issue, which is handled by customer service, and then this is our endpoint.
Now this is our component diagram. We have 7 components: user interface, order management system, financial account, courier management system, database, tracking system. And these are the interfaces.
This is our deployment diagram. We have our devices and our nodes. Each device contains courier client, customer app, database server, admin portal, and we have our 2 servers, web server and mobile PC, which are the client's devices. So these are our sketches. We have a login page, a sign-up page, a home page, an account details page, and a payment page. A settings page, my orders page, and an order tracking page. These will all be further explained in our UIs.
Those are our UI frames. We have the login home page, sign up, the options and account details, payment methods, my orders, the order histories, settings, and how to track your order. Summary. This is who did what. Thank you, CM.